I'm Santosh. Welcome to my channel. So recently you have completed your first semester FAT exams. So I hope you have been performed very well in the FAT exam. Next, coming to the second semester, winter semester. So for that we need to take subjects. So lot of students having the queries. What is FFCS and what are the subjects we need to take? And next, which faculties we need to take for a particular subject. So everything in detail we are going to see in this video. So for that I have been splitted this video into two parts. The first part we are going to discuss about what is FFCS and how we are going to perform in FFCS. Next, what are the subjects we need to take. Next, it is mandatory or not. In this video we are going to discuss. In the next video we are going to see about the faculties. So coming to in this video, so first of all, what is FFCS? FFCS is nothing but a fully flexible credit system. Here student can choose subjects and faculties as their own. Next, so coming to the subjects, what subjects we need to take. So here the VAT offered these courses in this semester, in this particular semester, in the winter semester. So it is mandatory or not. So first of all, we will discuss what subjects. Then after it's mandatory or not, we will discuss. So first of all, this course is offered by VAT in the second semester, winter semester. So first course is engineering chemistry. So engineering chemistry, it is a 4 grade course and it is very easy to get S grade in this particular subject. So to get S grade also, I will tell what kind of faculties we need to take. It's a very big top secret. So I'm going to discuss in the second video. So next, so engineering chemistry we need to take in this semester only. Reason, in the upcoming semesters, because there is no prerequisite for this course. So better to complete in the first year only. Next, second course, differential equations and transformers. So it is an for this course we will have prerequisite, so better we need to complete in this semester only. And you know, by the way, it is a program core, foundation core, so compulsory for you. Next, electronics materials, it is a 3 grade course, electronics materials. Next, basic electrical engineering, it's compulsory, we need to take because it's a foundation core. Next, coming to the English, technical English in this semester. So if you are done, if you're doing, we need to take technical English. Next, programming course they are offering, that is Java. So it is compulsory for us because it a foundation core means like a core subject we need to take. So next, quantitative soft skill. So it is also in compulsory course for us, simply. Okay. So we need to do. Then next, this total engineering chemistry, differential equations, electronic materials, basic and technical English, Java programming and soft skill. Totally we are getting 21.5 credits. Okay, so this is a credit course. Then next two other courses also they have been mentioned. The two other courses also, ethics and values and biology. It is a non-credit course. You know, non-credit course means if you're getting very less marks also, no problem. Next, coming to, it is important, it's mandatory and not. So it is a mandatory course only. So I'm indicating with the M. It's mandatory course we need to take in this semester only. It is also mandatory course only. Yeah, this one also mandatory. This one also mandatory only. This one also mandatory. M is mandatory compulsory course. Then a technical English also compulsory. Then Java programming course compulsory. You can do in this semester or in the later semester also, no problem. But better you can do in the semester only. Next, soft skill, it's compulsory. It is compulsory course. Okay, compulsory. So ethics and biology, as per the requirement, you can take in this semester. As we need to do in this semester only. So later you may have entering into the pure core subjects. So for that, before only complete this all the subjects. So basically these all easy subjects only. Easily you will get very good GPA in the winter semester. For that also I'm going to tell what kind of faculties we need to take. So, and also one more thing, if they're offering IAP course, Introduction to Innovative Projects, IAP, IAP, 1 credit course. If they're offering, then please you can take this course also. No fact, only digital assignments only. So if they're offering means please take this course. Then LSM, Lean Startup Management, LSM, 2 credits. So if they're offering LSM, so please take LSM also, because no fact, only textual assignments only. So easily you will get S grade and S grade in this subject if they're offering. If the subjects are available in the particular semester, I mean in the second semester. Okay. So if you want to take foreign language, if it is available, then you can take foreign language also. Japanese, French, Greek, and Spanish. Uh, so if they're offering the foreign language course also, you can take if it is available. So I hope in this video you got some idea about what subjects we need to take and is mandatory or not. Have been discussed in the video clearly. In the next video, we are going to see what are the faculties we need to take for each subject. So thank you everyone. Please subscribe my channel. Bye.